こんにちは Welcome to Free Free Kitchen. Today, Mumu is going to make Edamame Onion Kakiage. Kakiage is a type of tempura fritter made by butter dipping and deep frying a mix of ingredients such as shredded vegetables. Today, we are using very simple ingredients, edamame and onion, with a hint of garlic and a kick of black pepper to make crispy yet fluffy kakiage. It's quick and easy to prepare, perfect as a tasty side dish or satisfying snack. Okay, let's get started. Cut one onion in half and slice it thinly. Place the sliced onions in a bowl. Add 100 grams of potted edamame. If you are using frozen edamame, there's no need to defrost them. Actually, using them straight from the freezer is great, because keeping both the ingredients and butter cold is the key to make extra crispy kakiage. Sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of plain flour and gently toss to coat the vegetables. In another bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Add 100 milliliters of cold water and stir loosely. Don't overmix. It's fine if the butter has some lumps. Pour the butter over the vegetables and toss everything together until nicely coated. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat and bring the temperature to 170 degrees. Scoop a portion of the mixture onto a spatula. Then use chopsticks or another spoon to gently slide it into the oil. Deep fry in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. Each piece of kakiage needs space so they don't stick together. Once they've firmed up, flip them over and continue frying until crispy on all sides. Remove from the oil and let them drain on a mesh rack. Transfer the kakiage to a serving plate. Sprinkle generously with freshly ground black pepper. Serve with a lemon wedge and soy sauce for dipping if you want. できた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said. Crispy, fluffy, and savoury. This is a kind of snack that disappears before you know it. The edamame has a really nice texture, and the garlic and black pepper make it extra moreish. Mumu could eat a whole plate of these. Thank you for watching Free Free Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね!